Today, my husband and I are going to be installing that pop-up outlet behind me. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. We're going to install it for you and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged really well to protect it during shipping. In the box, you're going to have the actual pop-up outlet itself, the user guide, the hardware to install it, and then they even include a giant hole saw. This is fantastic. You don't need to go purchase a giant hole saw. It comes in the box. We'll show you how to use this also. I want to turn this into a coffee bar, but we don't have enough outlets. So this is going to come in handy when I'm creating my coffee bar. This does have a really nice heavy duty cord. It's not really long, so I'm hoping that it reaches the outlet, but it might not. We might need an extension cord. You do need to unscrew this part so that you can actually fit it through the hole once you drill the hole. The hole saw that they provide to you fits any standard drill. And if you're familiar with hole saws, you don't need to fit it through the holes. You can actually just screw it onto the mount. This is a really nice option. Even with a brand new drill, we were a little concerned that this was going to break apart because it was laminate. To our utter shock and disbelief, it did not break apart and the hole was absolutely perfectly smooth.
Got a little spring action on there. That's a nice feature. That helps.
Okay, perfect hole. That is fantastic. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. I'm so excited about this. Ooh, and there's little tabs. Woohoo! You're gonna go ahead and put the metal piece first, and then you screw the plastic piece back on. If you have a thicker counter, there's a lot of threads. There's also screws that you can use to extend the gap between the top and the bottom. This uses the Smart Life app if you want to use it with an app. Personally, I'm just going to be using it without the app, but it does link to the Smart Life app. The screws will secure it so that it doesn't move. Like, he can move it right now, so he's going to put the screws in to keep it stationary where the little icons are the right way. Okay, so it does look like the cord is longer than I expected, so it does reach the outlet, which is fantastic. You can see that it is plugged in. We're gonna turn it on. Look at that! Oh my gosh, are you kidding? That is so amazing. It has regular plugs on that side. It has USB and USB-C on this side. It has more regular plugs on that side and even more plugs on the back. So these are universal for something. This is the weirdest looking plug I've ever seen in my life, but I'm pretty sure this will work for different types of appliances, like UK appliances maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but I've never seen a plug that looks like that. It has wireless charging.
Yes.
He's very excited about that because he just discovered that my cord doesn't work for his phone this morning. But there's a light also. Look at that.
Night light.
Oh my goodness. I am so impressed by this. If you are looking to add more outlets to your house, this is an amazing option. It was super easy to install. It looks fantastic and it hides itself away when you're not using it. It still charges even when it's recessed.